A benefits management plan is a document that outlines the benefits that are expected to be achieved as a result of a project and the strategies and actions that will be taken to realize those benefits. The benefits management plan is an important tool for ensuring that the project delivers the intended value to the organization and its stakeholders. According to the PMBOK, uh, the benefits management plan should include a list of the benefits that are expected to be achieved as a result of a project, the criteria that will be used to measure the achievement of these benefits, the strategies and actions that will be taken to realize the benefits, the responsibilities and roles of the project team and stakeholders, the timeline for achieving the benefits, the budget and resources that will be required to realize the benefits. The project benefits management plan is the document that describes how and when the benefits of the project will be delivered and describes the mechanisms that should be in place to measure those benefits. A project benefit is defined as an outcome of actions, behaviors, products, services, or results that provide value to the sponsoring organization as well as to the project's intended beneficiaries. Development of the benefits management plan begins early in the project lifecycle with the definition of the target benefits to be realized. The benefits management plan describes key elements of the benefits and may include, but not limited to, documenting the target benefits, strategic alignment, time frame for realizing benefits, benefits owner, metrics, assumptions, and risks. Developing the benefits management plan makes use of the data and information documented in the business case and needs assessment. For example, the cost benefit analysis recorded in the document illustrate the estimate of costs compared to the value of the benefits realized by the project. The benefits management plan and the project management plan include a description of how the business value resulting from the project becomes part of the organization's ongoing operations, including the metrics to be used. The metrics provide verification of the business value and validation of the project's success. Development and maintenance of the project benefits management plan is an iterative activity. This document complements the business case, project charter, and project management plan. The project manager works with the sponsor to ensure that the project charter, project management plan, and the benefits management plan remain in alignment throughout the life cycle of the project. The benefits management plan should be developed as part of the project planning process, and it should be reviewed and updated throughout the project as needed. The plan should be used to track the progress of the project in delivering the expected benefits and to identify any issues or challenges that may arise in realizing the benefits. See you in the next lecture.